All right. So what did we do this time? What's in there? What's in here?
Food coloring.
And?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Okay. So what are we going to put in there?
Vinegar starts with a V.
Right.
B.
So what's next? What do we put in there?
Baking soda. And
Right.
2 scoops.
We'll do 2, right. And what's this called? What is this? What do we make?
Funnel.
Right. Okay. So let's get some scoops. Okay. 1.
It looks like something's vanishing.
Here, hop down on your knees. Otherwise, you get your head cut off at the camera. That's fine. All right. Let's maybe do another little one.
Okay.
That's good. Okay. Now what do we do?
Put that.
Okay. So take the funnel out. Take the funnel. There you go. Okay, let's set that down over there. All right, let's do it. Look at all that lava.
It's burning.
Look at the camera and say,
Science.